You probably know Cillian Murphy, currently one of the hottest actors across the globe. But what you might not know is that this Irish actor's lifestyle is no ordinary millionaire lifestyle. Cillian Murphy's net worth has surpassed $20 million thanks to Peaky Blinders, and today we are going to talk about his millionaire lifestyle. So, what luxuries has Cillian invested in, and how does he spend his millions? Let's find out what makes his luxurious lifestyle so unique. Cillian has been living in a beautiful house in Los Angeles that he shares with his wife Yvonne McGinnis and their pet dog. But now the couple has decided to move into a larger space. They were seen house hunting around the Silver City of Los Angeles. And for those of our viewers who are not familiar with that particular neighborhood in LA, it is extremely lavish. The price of an estate there is so high that no one has a penny less than a net worth of millions could ever afford it. But he and his wife believe that a house should be all about warmth and comfort. Even the house they currently live in now screams modern chic and comfort. But the uniqueness of Cillian's lifestyle is what we are going to give you a glimpse of today. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of Peaky Blinders star Cillian Murphy. So, make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. In addition to his lovely homes, Cillian Murphy owns a $5.9 million apartment in North Bondi, Sydney. Cillian currently resides in a $21 million triplex apartment in New York City, which has approximately 11,000 square feet of living space. The apartment has 5 bedrooms, a personal office, a library, and other opulent features. Cillian Murphy always spends a decent portion of his money on himself and to maintain himself. In an interview, he revealed that he spent approximately $300,000 to maintain his physical health and appearance. He is also fond of shoes, jewelry, and other expensive collections and spends a fortune on them. He mostly wears shoes that are custom made for himself. He also loves to go on over-the-top vacations and often sets aside a large budget for traveling. So, what are some of Cillian's most unique spending habits that many of us probably aren't aware of? There is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Cillian is frequently seen wearing a Montblanc Star Classique automatic watch, which is a very expensive and unique piece. Apart from this, he owns a variety of expensive cars and is frequently seen driving his Volkswagen Jetta, which costs around $28,500 and has an automatic transmission as well as a variety of other amazing features. He is the biggest fan of Audi cars and owns an Audi Q7 that costs $92,000. Additionally, the actor served as a brand ambassador for Micromax mobile phones, Montblanc, and Barbara Schneider Levy. The 45-year-old actor owns a variety of luxurious assets in his collection. Cillian has never flaunted his flourishing assets to the media. Maybe that is why the media is more focused on how much he spends each day on luxuries than on how much he spends for the people. But according to a source, he has donated nearly $625 million in funds over the past 10 years. Over 3,000 grants have been served to underdeveloped communities, destitute children, and for the underprivileged sustainability. Cillian has invested over $5 million for 25 research works to date. Cillian is a charming man, and most of us love him after his appearance in Peaky Blinders. He has always entertained us all with his positive and strong character. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Peaky Blinders star Cillian Murphy? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.